Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of tech with a list of the top 9 coolest smart gadgets that every man will appreciate. From Amazon, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your everyday life, these gadgets are sure to impress. So let's get started. 9. OBSBOT Tiny2 4K Webcam. The OBSBOT Tiny2 4K webcam stands out as a premier choice for both professional content creators and casual users seeking top-notch video quality. With its impressive 4K resolution, the Tiny2 delivers crystal-clear video that enhances the viewing experience, whether for live streaming, video conferencing, or recording high-definition content. One of its stand-up features is its AI-powered auto-framing, which intelligently tracks and centers the user within the frame, ensuring a dynamic and engaging presentation. This capability is particularly beneficial for those who move around or perform during their streams, as it maintains a consistent focus without manual adjustments. Additionally, the webcam includes advanced image processing algorithms that adapt to various lighting conditions, resulting in vibrant and true-to-life colors, even in challenging environments. Its compact and sleek design makes it a convenient addition to any setup without overwhelming desk space. 8. Creality CR Scan Foret. The Creality CR Scan Foret is a compact and advanced 3D scanner designed to deliver high-precision scanning in a user-friendly package. Its sleek, portable design sets it apart from larger, more cumbersome scanning systems, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists who require accurate 3D models without sacrificing convenience. Equipped with cutting-edge scanning technology, the Foret captures detailed and accurate 3D data with impressive resolution, enabling users to create high-quality digital replicas of objects, prototypes, and intricate designs. One of the key features of the CR Scan Foret is its advanced algorithms that facilitate automatic scanning and alignment, reducing the need for manual adjustments and enhancing workflow efficiency. This user-centric design ensures that even those new to 3D scanning can achieve excellent results with minimal effort. The scanner supports multiple scanning modes, including handheld and fixed-position scanning, providing versatility to accommodate various project needs and environments. The CR Scan Foret integrates seamlessly with Creality's software suite, allowing for easy post-processing and model optimization. 7. Safeop P1 Cam Set. The Safeop P1 Cam Set is an innovative solution designed for users seeking a comprehensive, high-quality security camera system with a focus on ease of use and advanced features. This camera set includes multiple units, each equipped with HD resolution capabilities that deliver clear, detailed video footage, ensuring that every corner of your property or workspace is covered with sharp, accurate imagery. One of the standout features of the Safeop P1 Cam Set is its seamless integration with smart home systems and mobile applications, allowing users to monitor live feeds, receive real-time alerts, and control camera settings remotely from their smartphones or tablets. This level of connectivity provides unparalleled convenience and control, ensuring that users can stay informed about their security status no matter where they are. The cameras in the P1 Cam Set are designed with durability in mind, featuring weather-resistant housings that make them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Additionally, they come with night vision capabilities, enabling clear visibility even in low-light conditions. 6. IVCable Gen 2. The IVCable Gen 2 represents a significant upgrade in connectivity solutions, designed to cater to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users seeking reliable and high-performance cables. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Gen 2 version offers enhanced durability, improved data transfer speeds, and superior compatibility with a range of devices. One of the key features of the IVCable Gen 2 is its reinforced construction, which includes braided nylon and enhanced shielding to resist wear and tear, reduce interference, and ensure long-lasting performance. This robust design helps prevent fraying and tangling, making it ideal for frequent use in heavy-duty applications. The Gen 2 cable supports advanced data transfer rates, allowing for rapid file transfers and seamless syncing of devices. Whether you're connecting a smartphone to a computer, charging a tablet, or linking peripherals, the high-speed capabilities of the IVCable Gen 2 ensure efficient and swift performance. Additionally, it supports high-definition video and audio transmission, making it a versatile option for various multimedia needs. 5. The Boooks Tab Ultra e-Paper Tablet PC. The Boooks Tab Ultra e-Paper Tablet PC represents a cutting-edge evolution in digital reading and note-taking technology, seamlessly blending the advantages of e-paper displays with the functionality of a modern tablet. Equipped with a large, high-resolution 10.3-inch ink screen, the Tab Ultra offers a paper-like reading experience that is gentle on the eyes and easy to read in various lighting conditions, including direct sunlight. This makes it an ideal device for avid readers, researchers, and professionals who spend significant time with digital texts. One of the standout features of the Boooks Tab Ultra is integration of advanced note-taking capabilities. The tablet supports a stylus, often included, which provides a natural writing experience akin to using pen and paper. This feature is enhanced by the tablet's precise pressure sensitivity and low latency, making it suitable for detailed sketches, annotations, and handwritten notes. The paper technology also contributes to a longer battery life as it consumes minimal power compared to traditional LCD screens. The Tab Ultra is powered by a robust processor and comes with ample storage options, allowing users to install various apps and handle multitasking with ease. 4. Insta Shower Geo Pro. The Insta Shower Geo Pro is an innovative and versatile portable shower system designed to offer convenience and high performance for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an excellent choice for camping trips, beach outings, or any situation where access to a traditional shower might be limited. One of the standout features of the Insta Shower Geo Pro is its powerful rechargeable battery that provides consistent water pressure and a strong, steady flow. This ensures a satisfying and effective shower experience, even in remote locations. The unit is equipped with a high-efficiency pump that draws water from any container, such as a bucket or reservoir, allowing for flexible use depending on available resources. The shower head is designed to be adjustable, offering users the ability to customize the water flow to their preference. Additionally, the Insta Shower Geo Pro includes a built-in heater, which warms the water for a more comfortable shower experience, especially in cooler conditions. 3. Gcam AI7 AI Mini Computer. The Gcam AI7 AI Mini Computer is a cutting-edge, compact computing device designed to deliver high performance and versatility in a small form factor. Powered by advanced hardware and AI capabilities, this mini computer is ideal for a wide range of applications from everyday computing tasks to more specialized AI-driven processes. At the heart of the AI7 is a robust processor, often featuring the latest in CPU technology to handle demanding applications with ease. Its powerful performance is complemented by ample RAM and fast storage options. 2. NFO F4 Sling Bag. The NFO F4 Sling Bag is a sleek and functional accessory designed for the modern urban commuter or traveler who values both style and practicality. Its streamlined design and high-quality materials make it a standard choice for those seeking a blend of fashion and utility in their everyday carry. One of the defining features of the NFO F4 is its ergonomic design. The sling bag is crafted to offer a comfortable and secure fit with adjustable straps that allow users to customize the carry position, whether it's worn on the back, across the chest, or on the side. The bag's slim profile ensures it sits comfortably against the body, minimizing bulk and making it an ideal companion for busy city life. 1. Anchorwork S600. The Anchorwork S600 is a high-performance, sleek all-in-one conference camera designed to elevate virtual meetings and collaborative sessions with its advanced technology and user-friendly features. Combining a powerful camera, microphone, and speaker system into one compact unit, the S600 is tailored for professional environments where clarity and efficiency in communication are paramount. One of the standout features of the Anchorwork S600 is its high-definition 4K camera, which delivers exceptional video quality, ensuring that participants are seen with crisp detail and vibrant colors. This is particularly beneficial for video conferencing, webinars, and online presentations, where visual clarity can significantly impact engagement and effectiveness. So there you have it, our top 9 coolest smart gadgets every man will appreciate. From enhancing your daily routine to providing endless entertainment, these gadgets are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.